my channel. Right now I'm going outside to get something at the supermarket. I want to make a delicious chicken what would they call it? Chicken barbecue. So we need foil paper. So I'm going downstairs to get it at the supermarket. So stay tuned, guys. Let's go together. It's been a long time I went downstairs. I went downstairs yesterday night, so I'm going this morning. Let's see how outside is looking. This is my outfit of the day. I'll show you guys very well. This is my outfit of the day. I look beautiful. Yeah. So I'm going to the market right now. Let's go together, guys. Let's go. Let me check myself here. Mwale! I miss you. Tabaki, say hi. Mwale, how are you? Zeik.
Zeik, guys.
Zeik, Mwale. Alhamdulillah. I miss Washini, Mwale. Wastini, I miss you so much. I'm going supermarket. Alright. So guys, I'm going to the supermarket. I'm on my way going now. So I thought this lady, I'll say this woman, she's the one that helped us. She helped my madam to buy something and she's a nice person. But sometimes we and I fight. We fight so much. So let's go to the market right now. Let's go. This is the street I'm staying. It's been a long time I went outside. It's been a long time. I can't even say it. Since when we come back from the hospital, It's been. My outing is just at night. Just go down and take something from my madam and husband. So I'm happy. Look at me. In the daytime going out. Today is a lucky day. So I'm there now. I'm at the supermarket now. Let's go. Madam also Kotimara. Me more fuel you Jesus. Salam alaikum. I want fuel paper. Fuel. Fuel paper. It's foil paper. Let me see. Yeah. Kem. 95. Yeah, bring it. Kiss. I need a kiss. I want to buy. Let me buy drink. What should I buy though? Drink for one. Buy something, but I don't know. I want to buy snacks, but I don't know what to buy. But don't worry, change. Thank you, bye bye. You say you are welcome. So I'm done buying before. So let me quickly go and meet. This is their change. This is the money we spend in Egypt. And coin, we spare coin here. Mwale is Gano so coin here. Mwale is there watching me. She's there watching me. I look so beautiful, right? Let me take the money in the pocket. Can't take a little. What are you looking for? Be careful what you're looking for. So can you see Egypt is so beautiful? I'm not me down. So I'm going back up now. I'm done buying what I want to buy. Umwale! Salam alaikum Haji Ali. Umwale! How are you? Boy. What is it? Very beautiful. Beautiful, Mwale. Beautiful. I miss you so much. This is a video. Bye bye, Mwale. Bye bye. You want to come? Good? My dressing good, thank you. Thank you. I'm looking for who is there? Who is at the parking that hold this elevator? Eh? Mwale! Mwale! The thing is here. Why is it like that? It's morning. What's wrong? I think someone is using it. Oh yeah, now go. So I've gotten what my madam wants. I'm going back upstairs. I hope she loves this wallpaper. I hope she does aluminium paper. I hope she does. So see you guys soon. Yeah. See you guys soon. Welcome back to my vlog. So now I'm about to unbox the mopping bucket that we bought yesterday. So I want you guys to see what I have here for you guys. The box is right here. We have two. I'll be unboxing one for you guys, so stay tuned and see what is inside. And I want you guys to comment, like, subscribe and share. Okay, stay tuned. I'll read it right now. So let's have it. Let's see what we have here, guys. Wait. Ta-da! Guys, this is what we have. This is what we have here. So let's open this and let's see what we have. What was inside? Let's see what was inside, guys. Hope you guys are hearing me clearly. So let's see what we have here. Video is okay. So look at the video. Look at it. Look at it. This is it. Where's the scissors? So Let's see what we have in the package. Wow, guys, see, let's see, guys. I have this is it, guys. If you want to get yours, if you want to get it, you can actually get it. It's a good mopping stick right down. So let's set it together, guys. Let's see. So this is the bucket, this is the mop, this is it, this is the mop. So I think we have two. This is extra. What else? This. So let's arrange it together, guys. Opening this, see how it's gonna look like. I don't know if I will double it or not. So I think it's this way. How do we do it? What is this? I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I think how do we do this? How do we do this, guys? How do we do it? Hey God, how do we do it, guys? How do I do it? Or is it this one I will use? Let me open this one. Let's see what's there. I need to read this. I don't really know I'm going to do this today. Let's do this one now. Well, lucky look guys, I fixed this one. I fixed this one right now. So remain this one now. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I don't know how I'm gonna fix it, guys. But when I finally fix it, I will let you know, guys. I think this is very hard. It's really hard. It's really hard right now. How do I do it? If you know how to fix this thing, just tell me in the comment section. I'm tired of doing this. I don't know. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I don't know how to fix this. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. But maybe later I will fix it. After I fix it, I will let you guys know. I will let you guys see it on a short video, okay? And this is the extra one, the extra mop that we have here, and this is the mop. So easy, you press it from here. You press it, and so cool. It doesn't have tire though, but it's okay. But when we are done, when I later fix this is just the issue right there. I've already fixed this one. I fixed it in there. This one and this stick giving me issue. But later, when I finally fix it, I will show you guys on my short video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. Continue to support me. Continue to watch my video. Thank you all for supporting and viewing my video, my vlog, and everything. See you guys in my next video. And if you know how to fix this, kindly comment on my comment section and tell me how I'm going to do it. See you guys later. Bye. I love you all. Take care. See you later. So guys, I'm finally done. I fixed it. It's working so well now. And this is how we're going to do it. You see? So easy. Then you press it from here. After pressing this, will foam out from the water that you get. So when I started using this, I will show you guys how I use it. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. Take care and have a good week ahead. Take care guys. Bye.